Let's Ride, Explore Unlimited. You already know this, and for us too, at Let's Ride, motorcycling is more than just a mode of transportation. It is a way of life. It is the thrill of the open road, the feeling of freedom, and the ability to explore the world around us. At Let's Ride, we understand this passion for riding, and we are dedicated to bringing like-minded riders together to explore the beauty of our state and the country. Let's Ride is a riding gear and motorcycle accessory store, and we are developing a community of riders. We believe that there is no better way to explore than on two wheels. This video is from one such community ride to a historic town. This was an interesting ride as we traversed through beautiful landscapes and winding roads to reach our destination. The camaraderie amongst our rider friends was heartwarming as we shared our love for riding and explored new places together. At Let's Ride, we strive to make these rides accessible and affordable for all riders by following a common cost-sharing model. Our focus through riding is to bring together riders from different backgrounds and experiences, united by a common passion for motorcycling. We strongly believe that riding together is not just about reaching a destination. It is about the journey, the memories, and the bonds that we form along the way. Apart from organizing community rides, Let's Ride is also a one-stop shop for all your riding needs. We take pride in curating a wide range of good quality riding gear and motorcycle accessories. We believe we have everything you may need to make your ride safe and comfortable. We understand the importance of safety when it comes to riding, and that is why our team understands your requirements and guide you in choosing the right gear for your needs and budgets. We ensure that our rider friends get good quality riding gears and motorcycle accessories. At Let's Ride, we are more than just a store. We are a family and ready to welcome new rider members. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced rider, if you share our love for exploring the unknown on two wheels, then you are a part of our tribe. So, let's ride together. Ride and Explore Unlimited. You can reach us at 8828312355 to join a ride or visit our store at Saki Vihar Road, Powai, Mumbai, to check out our collection of riding gear and accessories. You can buy new gears and accessories at store or from our website letsaddle.com. Or if you are new to riding or trying gears for first time, we rent them to you. And if your gears need a good deep clean, we get this professionally done too. You can connect with us on Instagram at Let's Ride Official, and with our founder Abhishek at Passionate Explorer Let's Ride. Explore Unlimited, ride safe.
सब आ गए? हाँ, आ गए। सब